Ugh, I'm having a bad hair day. Hi everyone, the word of the day is peinado. Peinado. Peinado means hairstyle. This word is masculine, so you can say el peinado or un peinado. The plural form is los peinados or unos peinados. Now let's see a few examples. ¡Qué bonito peinado! ¡Qué bonito peinado! Ese peinado se te ve muy bien. Ese peinado se te ve muy bien. Me gustan los peinados de los 80s. Me gustan los peinados de los 80s. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to share more examples down below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!